How to apply for Barclays Credit Card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for Barclays Bank's online banking. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for Barclays Bank's credit card. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and then in the web address bar simply type in barclays.co.uk. Now it'll take you to the official homepage of Barclays Bank, where in order to apply for a credit card, simply tap on the credit cards tab, which is on the top side of the screen. After that, a drop down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the option compare credit cards. Now scroll down, and there you'll see all of the different credit cards provided by Barclays Bank. Now you can see the detail of each and every credit card. So once you find the credit card you want to apply to, simply tap on the option see card details. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option apply now. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and then if you have a Barclay card or you had one in the last 6 months, simply tap on the option yes, but if you don't, tap on the option no. Now once you've done that, you'll have to fill out information about you, such as your title, your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, and finally your nationality. After that, you'll have to enter contact details such as your phone number and your email address. Now scroll down and then you'll have to enter your address, such as your current address. Now once you've done that, enter details about your work and income, such as your employment status, your monthly income, and finally your current yearly income before tax. Now once you've done that, enter details about how you spend your money monthly. So enter the number of depends on your financially. After that, enter how much do you spend on childcare or care each month. Now, once you've done all of those, simply enter your banking details. And once you've done that, enter the main reason why you are applying for this card. And if you want, you can simply tick on the options cash withdrawals and balance transfers. Now, once you fill out the entire form, once you tap on the option continue, you'll have successfully applied for Barclays Bank's credit card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.